Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a tier list for the Cosmic players, and um, I got like 22 of them that I can think of off the top of my head, and let's just say 10 likes for part 2, because it's really like difficult to kind of think of every PvP player, and yes, this is strictly PvP players and N tier, so yeah, let's just start off with mine. I'll probably put mine like maybe just the edge of S tier, and the stuff goes like in order, so this is the best part of S tier. I'll probably put mine right here, middle S tier. Zewar, he's really good, so put him here. He kind of retired by now, though. He told me he's like quitting a little, but he's playing it. So actually, definitely put him under me, or definitely put him in mine. This doesn't go in order down; it just goes over to the side, so he's the same tier as me. Fimbles, put on the top of A tier. Both top A tier. I'm that top S tier. I'm going through this really quick. LV is definitely top S tier. Okay. YouTube PvP. All these dudes top S tier. These are in S tier. Okay. Hey, bro. They dirt pug a lot, so I'll probably put on like. I know he PvPs a lot, so I'll probably put him in B tier. I mean, I don't know. I'll put him right here because I've seen him PvP more. Like, he PvPs really often out of the bros. And I mean, out of what I've seen, so. Actually, no, I'll put Aaron back here. Micro. Also pure. I mean, they started PvPing overworld, but they're known as NPVPers, so like they're like the best NPVPers, I think, in my opinion. So him and Asa. We'll put Hurried in C tier, because I mean, it's doesn't PvP that much, but I've been seeing her in sets more often. Funk, definitely top. I would even put him above Fimbles, but Frank. Gas Destroyer, top A tier. Actually, no, I'm gonna switch this. I want to put Gas here. I don't want to put this there. Fired in top of B tier because he doesn't really. He quick drops a little. I'm not gonna lie. It's a little biased, but he does fly in the sky too much, so I don't know. This is a faction. I don't know much about them though, so I'm just gonna put them in here and another NPVPers. So I don't know all of them. Like I know Biggest and Boy, I think, but I don't know them. I know Soul and PvPs. Let's put him back there. X Sniper, top of A tier. Definitely Demonic, right there. Okay. Everything here is not like. I wouldn't say everything is on point, but this is from my perspective. And I'll add maybe 20 more people, 15 more if I can. Once maybe this video reaches 10 likes, see if you guys like the video, you guys like enjoy a tier list. I don't know if you guys really want this content, but yeah, so that's what I decided to put everybody. Oh wait, I forgot to highlight everybody. Yeah. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.